From World of Concrete 2015, Las Vegas Convention Center, with me is Carl Taylor, who manages Tekla's concrete division. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Roger.
Nice to meet you.
Here.
Well, tell us all about your 3D modeling and what programs you're bringing to the show.
Well, we're really showcasing our software called Tekla Structures, which is a specialist product for concrete, developed specifically for concrete contractors, rebar detailers, and people working in concrete. We're about to launch version 21 of Tekla Structures, and we've been getting a lot of existing customers and prospective customers looking at some of the new features here this week.
Well, for structural engineers, a product like yours has to be a real important base for them to use, because I suspect it works with BIM.
Yeah,
and it's probably going without saying that it's similar to BIM.
Yeah, what we're doing, our product is part of BIM. It is a BIM tool. It's used by structural engineers who are really interested in working with the contractors, because our emphasis is on constructible models. So our focus is on people who are using 3D modeling to develop constructible models to really drive the construction process to be more efficient, more profitable, and so on.
Does yours also get involved in the demo modeling of a project before it's a concept, that sort of thing?
Well, for people can use our product for conceptual modeling, but we're part of the Trimble family, and within our family there's another product called SketchUp, and that's probably tends to be the tool that people would use most at the conceptual stage, and as it develops more into a solid design and then construction end, they move over to Tekla.
Your product certainly must go a long way to helping a contractor reach and meet and exceed deadlines.
Most definitely. I mean, really, the whole point of using Tekla Structures is for, say, a concrete contractor to be able to firstly estimate the job more accurately, come up with very accurate quantities, so when he's very assured that the numbers he's putting in for the bid are good numbers. Then once the job's on board, do the planning process, the construction planning, resolving the issues in the office before you get problems in the field, and then lastly, once you're in the field, linking the model to things like robotic total stations and so on derives a lot of benefit there as well.
Oh, wow.
So you've really got benefits all the way from the early estimate and bid stage through the pre-construction and so on, right the way through to erection and so
rapidly changing, is it not?
Yes,
and
it is.
It's all technology driven.
That's right, but I mean, concrete contractors are, if we look around the show, there's lots of fantastic technology, and I think once they understand and believe that it's going to derive them some advantage, they've got a long history of adopting it quickly.
Hey, pleasure to talk to you.
Great, thank
Carl
you.
Taylor, who's the manager of the concrete division for Tekla, right here, World of Concrete 2015.